Hey everybody, welcome to the garden. I hope you're having a great day. Shout out to the lemon and lime lovers and everybody in between. It's time for a small account challenge. Yeah, so we're going to be doing a small account challenge and we're going to be doing it on the MEXC Global exchange. So quick announcement in case you aren't aware. The Lemon Garden has partnered with MEXC Global. So I'm going to be doing this series of this small account challenge to highlight how good I think the futures platform for MEXC Global is. To also show you little cool tricks and stuff that's on this exchange that some exchanges may not have. And also to give you a kind of a window into how I trade, not just swing trade, but kind of do shorter term, like little day trades, sometimes a little multi-day, like 1-2 day trades. Very rarely will I be scalping, but stuff like that. And again, it's also going to be I think, a good lesson, not just in that, but also I'm going to be showing you the power of compounding. So, in the beginning here, a lot of the trades are going to be really, really small gains. But through the power of compounding, I'm going to show you how at a certain point you start going into a snowball effect, and a lot of the gains that were 1.50 cents, a dollar, start turning into 5, 10, $15, and you can really see how your account changes. So I'm going to try and do that for this small account challenge. So I'm going to be doing it's pretty much a micro account, so it's $100. And I'm going to also show you something really cool on MEXC here. So you can actually go here. There's a tab here called Capital Flow. So this shows you your inflows and outflows. And to me, this is a great way to show transparency, right? So, for example, let me show you what I'm showing you here. So, in the beginning, they gave me $20 for the sign up. So make sure to join through our referral link, the Lemon Garden referral link. The link will be in the description below. You'll get this plus more. So you'll get this plus more. You also get $10 on top of that by the end of December. And then I transferred in just under $80. So I was starting at about $100, maybe a little bit under. And then you also get the fee and bonus, readouts here. So how much you make in fees, or how much you lose in fees, and the bonuses and all that. And then they also show you your P&L. So it's all right here for you to see. So I've had 2 trades that have completed so far. The first trade was $1.72. Again, this is before the fees. And then this trade here was about 87.57, so 87 cents before the fees. And then what's also cool, you can also see your order history, and your position history, and your position history will show you your realized P&L after the fees. So it's about $1.03 and then 65 cents. So I've gone long and short on Ethereum. And then another cool aspect of this that I've seen some exchanges have, but actually not as much as you think. MEXC shows you your arrows, pretty much where you bought, where you sold, where you shorted. So I started a long position here, then had my add-ons here, and then had a bunch of add-ons down here because it was a very nice fair value gap area. And then I ended up closing the long right around here. So I made about $1.03 from that. Then I started the short position here, and then we broke down to here, and I closed it right around this trend line here, and we made just under 70 cents from that. And then I just started a long position from this level here, from this candle here. And I've had 2 add-ons already. So I started right over here, and then I started on a small pullback as well. So when it started trading here, and then it pulled back again on the same candle right here. So now our average is around 1256.94, and then we'll see how this long goes. But it's really nice to see it on the chart right here. It's very transparent for everyone who's watching. And I have an open order, which is my TP up here, and then this is my current open position on Ethereum long. So just sitting on it, and we'll see how this plays out. Yeah. So this series, again, like I've said, it's gonna highlight some cool strategies, the compounding strategy, how I trade in general, and it's also going to highlight how useful and simple the MEXC Global Futures platform is. And and per position size, so you're also going to get a good look at my position size. So since we're starting with $100, every position is about $12, but with the fees it goes down to like 11 and change. So I'm not using the full $100 per position. And there's pros and cons with that. Obviously, the cons are, well, if I put $100 here and then it shoots up here, I would make a lot more money than just having, right now, we have like $22 inside of here, right? So that would be significantly more money if I put my full account here and it went up. and I end up closing my profit than if it went up now from $22 to here. But the pros of not doing your full position far outweighs that, because it also protects you from losses. So it'd be a lot more painful to have my full account here, $100, and then it drops down and pretty much completely invalidates the structure I'm seeing, and I have to close at a loss. It's a lot easier and a lot more cheap and a lot cheaper to close a $22 position rather than a $100 position at a significant loss. So to me, the markets, you're gonna lose. It's inevitable, and if you can survive the markets, winning is also inevitable. So as if you can take the stance of defense and pretty much protect yourself and trade as if you're going to lose the trade every time, doing that will allow you to survive long enough to inevitably bank in the wins, right? And then with the power of compounding, as you'll see as this series goes on, the losses will, they'll get slightly bigger, but the wins will get exponentially bigger because the account size and the position sizing will grow. All right, so that's it. This is just the beginning of the series. Hopefully everyone will enjoy it. I'm not going to put any time constraints on myself with this, because when it comes to small accounts, it's fun, but it's also quite taxing because, well, if you're in the Discord, I'm trading much larger size, and I trade for everyone in the Discord, the swing trade. So I have a lot I'm looking at, so I can't prioritize this too much. I'll try to, I'll try and see if I see an opportunity. I'll try to. That's one of the reasons why I'm just going to focus it on ETH, so I don't have to look at so much. I'm already looking at so much, for the swing trade service and then everything else I do. So I'm just going to focus it on ETH, and if I see opportunities, I'll take them, and then over time we'll see where this account goes. Hopefully I can grow it fast. If not, then it'll just be a slow, steady grind. And if people really enjoy this, then once we hit $200, then we can maybe think about, okay, am I going to go to 400, 500? Maybe I'll do 100 to 1,000, and then we'll go from there. Okay, because again, like I said, I'm mostly doing this to highlight the exchange, the compounding strategy I've spoken about to many members in the Discord, and also just to give you a quick look at how I like to trade, and highlight, I do a day trading room every weekday, 1 to 2 hours, and that's the B11 tier on the Discord. So again, this is what I'm going to be doing. Hopefully you guys like it, and if you have any feedback for me, let me know in the comment section or in the Discord if you're in there. Give me a like and subscribe if you think this is going to be helpful to not only yourself but other people. Maybe share it around, okay? All right, everyone. Thank you again for being members. Thanks for your support. And remember, be patient, be vigilant, and be nimble. I love you guys. Take care. Bye.